Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Alright, we got my boy Vince. Hey, Vince be making hits though. Like whether it's his own music or if it's other people, he worked on. Correct me if I'm wrong. He did work on what do you call it, K-pop Demon Hunters as well. I think it was a lot of the Black Label, just Black Label worked on it, right? But Vince coming out with Cha Cha Cha. He got the like, you know what I'm saying, with Jrekml. It's an animated visual. And I saw like the teaser. It looks fire. It looked dope. I think it's stop motion kinda, or is it just animation? I'm not sure. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. And let's get into this. Let's go. We got G-Dragon up here, bruh, in animated form. Ooh, that looks blurry as hell. Featuring G-Dragon. Ooh. Oh. Well, I would like to see like a live performance of this. I can see it too. Oh, was that him? Put that pretty thing on me. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Everybody cha cha. Okay. Spin it with it. Hey, that two-step right here hitting hard. One step, two step, oh. One step, two step. The little wave at the bottom. Oh, I didn't expect this to be here this fast. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Yeah, baby, oh, like animated anime too. Is this like stop motion too, or is it just fully animated? Because if it's stop motion, that's super fire. I love stop motion. Oh, like different animation, like cartoon elements. Sha sha sha. Let's be. Oh. They even got his little 5 o'clock shadow on there. Ooh. Okay, pop off with the vocals. Oh, I like that animation right there. The vibe. Hey. He got even G-Dragon dancing. Hey. Hey, shout out to the people that made this music video or visualizer. Ooh, the end. That was so fast. It's literally 3 minutes though, but I had a good time. That went by so fast. Wow. I like that they showed like different like animations or different like elements of animation or cartoons. Look at the outfits too. Wow. Yeah, baby, I agree on me, Jackie, I need I be yours, be mine, truly will see. Hey. Okay. Hey. Hey, I actually want to see like the actual dance to it too. Like him doing it. That'll be fire. That'll be fire. All right, y'all, put the comments down below. Yo, he always has the craziest fades, man. The hair is always on point. I see you. I see you, Vince. All right, put the comments down below what you guys think of Cha Cha Cha. Put the comments down below what you guys think of G-Dragon as a feature. I know it's Big Bang's 19th anniversary, which is dope. Shout out to Big Bang. I reposted Taeyong's little heart like pyramid thing that he did. And yeah, can't wait for more content from Vince, from G-Dragon, from Big Bang. Ooh. And you know, true VIP out here. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace out.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.